Oh, this is what you need Christmas morning. 9:45, the 25th of November. Spend half my life on bloody paths, don't I? Don't lead me down the garden path. Morning, triplers! Happy Christmas! It's Dave back again. I hope you enjoyed me and Dion's little bit last night. Yeah, I know, I'm in the woods. I've been out for about 45 minutes. Been up to Woodbridge, filled the old girl up a diesel, Trevor, and just gonna hit the woods, see me Uncle Dennis. He lives on his own in the woods. And go over and see me old mucker Sean. He's not coming out for a ride today because of his stay in hospital. That's made him all weak and worthless. This is a 7-day-a-week landscaper. Can't get his motorcycle out of the go. You know he's bad. Anyhow, how are we all doing then? Cookery tips. Whoop, there you bastard. Cookery tips from Dave. You were going to cut the corner, weren't you? First bell end on Christmas morning. Nice one. Good to see ya. Cooking tips. You must have had your veg on for about 24 hours now on full boil to make them taste like how your mother used to cook them. If that's not just, if anything is crunchy, that's wrong, isn't it? Right, we're just coming into Tangham Forest. I've probably said this before, this was the end of the runway here. Back in the war. That was, see if I can... Oh, there's a rabbit! No. No, a little... You probably can't see it, can you? There you go, look. That was the widest runway for the old stranded planes. Hey! What the shit, man? These are new, aren't they? Yeah! It's a good job we're off-road. On an off-road motorcycle. Somebody asked me in the comments about that. I forget what your name was. Yeah, he said, are they any good off-road? Well, they're not, are they, to be fair? Top heavy, a little bit of gravel roads, you know, fine, but anything thick and soupy, or even, you wouldn't take this on a motocross track, would you? Not willingly, anyway. What's going on here then, boss? Oh, perhaps they do have a few black bears about here. Perhaps I've seen one. Car park there, mate. That was a lady on her own. All these old bastards, they can't stay at home for one day, can they? They've got to go out for a walk, just so they've said, don't they, huh? Look at them, fucking hundreds of people down there. Did you see them? Hey up, Dennis! Whoop there. We'll see if the old bugger's up. Snape. Maltings. Oh, look at that pike. Oh, oh, oh. How many people about here, is there? For a Christmas morning? Probably was earlier. Big boats, bridge. Snape. They have some big concerts here with big names. That's all your that's all your proper music, isn't it? Do you know what I mean? Statues by local artists, no idea. Don't even know what they are. Toilets in the corner if you wish. And a craft shop. Everybody wants a craft shop, don't they? Loads of other stuff down the back there. Anyway, we're going to have a coffee. That'll do as a thumbnail, won't it? Let's get it. There we go. How about that? Oh, it's one of them retarded electric cars. Fucking pieces of crap. Nice about here, isn't it? We've been through here before, I think a couple of Christmases ago. Snape maltings. Right. Over to see Shawnee. We're running now, aren't we? Dennis was alright. Just looking older now. Old boy is 86, boy. Here we come in at Warniston. That video didn't do very well. The Warniston TT. There's the church down there, the Warniston church. This is where I've been along many a time and said, pigs! Christmas pigs! Oh, this is wonderful. Wonderful! Dave's got the pigs to himself. Pigs on blankets. Pigs in blankets. Wonderful about here. Dave's little play area. Absolutely wonderful. Wonderful, darling. Well, everybody will be cooking up their dinners now. Dave's arsing about on his Triumph. Springer's around the corner, isn't it, lads and lasses? We'll soon be out, and like I said yesterday, there could be a little bit of a surprise this year. Not for you guys, because you'll just think on the bell end anyway, so. But that'd be nice to cruise with the cruisers. And no, I'm not getting Harley Davidson. You can put that right out of your minds. God damn. No. Anyhow, this has been a little video just to say, again, thank you for this year and thank you for the comments. Thank you, Tim, Nigel, all the main contributors. And I hope you have a peaceful Christmas. Don't worry about me, I'll be alright. And we'll should we go this way? Nah, let's be down. Back road's alright, but 2 back roads. So we'll see you on the next one.